Justice Learning Initiative is the term we're using to describe our community education activities. What we find is distinctive about the work that we're doing is its public-facing nature, that we are offering education to the community, to people who themselves have not had the experience of incarceration or have not had a lot of experience of incarceration in their families and tend not to really think about prison and its impacts very often. Even knowing more about how difficult it is to get a job or to find a place to live with a felony conviction, even knowing that and talking about it with friends, even folks coming from our events and talking with their friends about what they have learned about the challenges of reentry, we think that that has all kinds of effects that sometimes it's really hard to measure. We do a reentry simulation every spring, and that is a role-playing event that lets people get just a little bit of a taste of what it's like to come out of prison. So in a reentry simulation, you are given the identity of someone who's just been released from prison, and it simulates the first month in the life of someone who is reentering society after incarceration. There's something super humanizing about it, and that's been a recurrent theme that folks have told us when they come to our events, the lectures, the panel discussions, the film screenings, that they come to have more appreciation for the humanity of folks who have been in prison and jail, and a much greater sense of connection with them. Coe's mission is to prepare students for meaningful lives and fulfilling careers in a diverse and interconnected world. And we see that JLI absolutely supports those goals.